In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace wiper blade arms on a Ford Transit Connect. These are located on the windshield. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and locate our cowl, and on each corner the wiper blade arms. We're going to remove this rubber grommet using a pick. So under it and pry it up and set it aside. Remove this fastener using a 15mm socket. Locate the wiper arm joint, push down and up to work it free. Remove it and set it aside. Repeat this for the other side as well. We're going to go ahead and reinstall our wiper blade arm and wiper. The one on the passenger side goes up, so line it up and push down. Push in on the joint so it fully seats. And snug it down with your 15mm. Reinstall your rubber cap and repeat this for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.